Alright, so today we're going to be checking out the Edifier W820NB. These are a pair of over-ear active noise canceling headphones, and Edifier has put out some pretty quality products here lately. One of my favorite that we recently checked out is the True Wireless One Pro. In my opinion, those are some of the best sounding True Wireless earbuds that you can get for around 50 bucks. So if you haven't seen my review on those, feel free to check it out. But back to today's product, the W820NB. These are coming in at only 59 bucks, so definitely very affordable. And as far as color options, you have a few. You have white, you have black, and then you have a dark gray. Now let's go ahead and jump into the build as well as the design. So you have a primarily plastic build all the way around, and the first thing that you notice is that these headphones are very lightweight. Now they're not the most premium feeling headphones, which to be fair is not really expected at this price point. When it comes to the headband, you have some branding featured on the side, and of course the headband is fully adjustable to accommodate different head sizes. On the top of the headband, you have some very soft leather padding, which definitely aids in the overall comfort of these headphones. And the same goes for the padding on the ear cups. It's very soft, very forgiving, and it has that memory foam feel to it. The ear cups also swivel in case you want to rest the headphones around your neck, but unfortunately they don't fold or collapse, which is something to keep in mind if you plan on traveling with these. Also, they don't come with any sort of case or carrying bag. As far as the controls, the buttons are located on the rear of the right ear cup. So you have your power button, your volume up and down buttons, which also serve as the track control buttons. And then you have a Bluetooth pairing button, which also controls the ANC as well as the ambient mode. And then underneath that is where you have your USB Type-C charging port. So the headphones are running Bluetooth 5.0 and they support SBC as well as AAC audio codecs. As far as battery life, you're looking at roughly 29 hours with ANC turned on and roughly 49 hours with ANC turned off. So battery life with these is not a concern. You're also getting a gaming mode or low latency mode, which is basically going to reduce any sound delays that you would experience while gaming. These are also supported by the Edifier app, which has some pretty helpful features. You're able to control the ANC as well as the ambient mode, and you're also getting access to a slider which will allow you to increase or decrease the overall strength of the ambient mode. There's a few other helpful features within the app, like the option to reset the headphones or even access the user manual. One thing I would have liked to see is a customizable equalizer or at least a few different EQ options for you to choose from. Now, when it comes to the fit, like I mentioned earlier, the headphones are very lightweight, which makes them easy to wear. So these would be perfect for a long flight or to use during work or any instance where you would need to wear them for extended periods of time. The button controls are in a convenient location and they're very straightforward and easy to use. When it comes to the sound, these are using 40mm dynamic drivers, and the sound quality is definitely one of the highlights when it comes to these headphones. They deliver an impressive amount of clarity and detail, and for me, that's the first thing that really jumps out. On the other hand, you're getting a nice balanced amount of bass, but by no means does it impede on the treble or the clarity. The only thing I really wish for in terms of sound is maybe one more notch of volume. Moving on to the active noise cancellation, the performance is in line with the price. Based on the price, these are an entry-level pair of ANC headphones. So the ANC, it reduces lower frequency sounds the best. So those are going to be your HVAC systems, engine sounds, or just equipment sounds in general. So the ANC, it definitely works. It's definitely useful. Just don't expect top tier quality. And as far as the ambient mode, I do feel it could be a tad bit stronger. So I do recommend using the app to set the strength on high. And as long as you do that, I feel like you'll be able to have a conversation or communicate with someone if needed. Now let's go ahead and test out the microphones to give you guys an idea of the call quality, which to me is another highlight when it comes to these headphones. All right, you guys, this is a microphone test to give you guys an idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these for phone calls. I think they do a really good job at muting the background noises. As far as my voice, I think it sounds maybe a little bit on the tinny side, but overall, these are going to be perfectly fine for your phone calls. But like I said, definitely helps to minimize the background noise wherever you are. So that's my review on the Edifier W820NB, a very solid option if you're considering a pair of budget ANC headphones. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.